Every classroom is a vibrant mix of unique individuals. Students come with different backgrounds, learning styles, readiness levels, and interests. This diversity is a strength, but it also presents a significant challenge for educators. How do we effectively teach a single lesson that truly reaches every student? How do we ensure each learner is appropriately challenged and supported? This is the core of differentiated instruction. Differentiated instruction is not a new concept. It's about tailoring teaching and learning to meet individual student needs. It's about providing multiple pathways to learning content, processing ideas, and demonstrating understanding. Historically, implementing differentiation consistently for every student has been incredibly demanding on a teacher's time and resources. Creating multiple versions of assignments or finding varied resources manually is a monumental task. This is where educational technology, or EdTech, steps in. EdTech offers powerful tools that can significantly streamline and enhance differentiated instruction. It provides new possibilities for personalizing the learning experience on a larger scale. EdTech can help educators manage the complexity of differentiation. It can automate tasks, provide instant data, and offer a wider range of resources and activities than ever before. It transforms the potential for meeting diverse needs. Think of EdTech not as a replacement for effective teaching, but as an amplifier. It empowers educators to implement differentiated strategies more efficiently and effectively, reaching more students more often. It makes the vision of personalized learning more attainable. One key area of differentiation is content, what students learn. EdTech provides access to a vast array of digital resources. This allows students to explore topics at different levels of complexity or through various media formats. Online libraries, educational videos, interactive simulations, and digital textbooks can all be curated and assigned based on student readiness or interest. Teachers can easily provide supplementary materials for advanced learners or foundational resources for those needing extra support. Adaptive learning platforms are a prime example. These programs assess a student's current understanding and automatically adjust the difficulty and pace of the material presented. They provide targeted practice exactly where a student needs it most. Differentiation also involves the process, how students make sense of the content. EdTech offers diverse tools for students to engage with material in ways that suit their learning preferences. This moves beyond traditional lecture and textbook methods. Students can use digital tools for note-taking, concept mapping, or creating multimedia presentations to process information. Collaborative online platforms allow students to work together in flexible groupings, either synchronously or asynchronously. Interactive whiteboards and polling tools allow for quick checks for understanding and immediate feedback. Digital manipulatives and virtual labs provide hands-on experiences that might not be possible in a physical classroom setting. Product differentiation is about how students demonstrate what they have learned. EdTech expands the options for students to show their understanding beyond traditional tests or essays. This allows students to leverage their strengths and interests. Students can create podcasts, videos, websites, digital portfolios, or interactive presentations. They can design digital games or simulations related to the topic. These options allow for creativity and deeper engagement. Rubric tools and digital assessment platforms make it easier for teachers to evaluate diverse products consistently. Students can also use digital tools for self-assessment and peer feedback, becoming more active participants in the evaluation process. Finally, EdTech can contribute to differentiating the learning environment. While not solely digital, technology can support flexible learning spaces and structures. This includes both physical and virtual environments. Online learning management systems organize resources and assignments, allowing students to work at their own pace and access materials anytime, anywhere. This supports flexible scheduling and remote learning options. Tools for communication and collaboration facilitate interaction among students and between students and teachers, regardless of physical location. This fosters a more connected and supportive learning community. Implementing differentiated instruction with EdTech offers significant benefits. For educators, it can save time on resource creation and provide valuable data on student progress. Digital tools often offer built-in analytics that inform instructional decisions. For students, differentiation with EdTech leads to increased engagement and motivation. When learning is tailored to their needs and interests, students are more likely to take ownership of their education. It promotes a growth mindset. Students can work at an appropriate challenge level, reducing frustration for struggling learners and preventing boredom for advanced learners. They develop digital literacy skills essential for the future. Getting started with EdTech for differentiation doesn't require a complete overhaul. Begin with one tool or one strategy. Focus on addressing a specific need in your classroom, whether it's providing varied reading levels or offering different ways to demonstrate learning. Professional development is key. Educators need training and support to effectively integrate new technologies into their pedagogical practices. Collaboration with colleagues can provide valuable insights and shared resources. Access and equity are important considerations. Ensure all students have equitable access to the necessary technology and internet connectivity. Schools and districts play a crucial role in providing infrastructure and support. Differentiated instruction is essential for meeting the needs of today's diverse learners. EdTech provides powerful practical tools to make this vision a reality. It empowers educators to create more personalized, engaging, and effective learning experiences. By strategically integrating technology, we can move closer to a learning environment where every student feels seen, supported, and challenged to reach their full potential. Embrace the possibilities that EdTech offers to transform your practice and impact student success. Start small, explore the options, and focus on meeting the unique needs of your learners. The journey of differentiation with EdTech is an ongoing process of innovation and growth, benefiting everyone involved in the educational ecosystem. For more content like this, visit my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share.